ang tuod gid is I hate surprises. Kay, although it's been several days that Leo's been telling me na, ubrahon, taka nga dinaw ko ni V. Sabi ko, why dinaw ko ni V? Because when she was courted away, Vic Soto, it closed down ang isa ka area sa Manila Hotel and they had dinner and it's just two of them. So, but I didn't buy that idea. But I believed nga he was planning for a surprise. And I was thinking that it's with ng May's family and Tata or Felix family. Amo lang na, kaya mo lang usual na group. So, kaina, sang nag-drive siya, gawanda ako nga, dito ba ka ito pa Richmond, pa Mario? Liso-liso ka mo, sige na, gyan na mo. Tapos ako di ba ka ito sa Del Rio? Sa diin, pag-gyan, ako diin sa bar, sa Tipsy Cat. Wala, Ijaya. Basta nga ba ako sa Medical City, uro ay. Tapos mag-abot din eh, hamba ko Leo, hindi ko rin wala kaulo sa party nga ako ni nagdamot tao. Tapos kita ko damo cars, hindi mo na yung bisita, hamba ko hindi Ijaya. So as natira, I think some of you have seen na doon nag-drop din ako face, oh my God, it's because nga hindi ko anad sa damo-damo a crowd, o I feel awkward, sitting here in front and be the center of everybody's attention. But then, I would like to express my gratitude to Leo also and my children who planned this out, who surreptitiously planned this all out for me, for the effort and for everything. I appreciate it a lot. Naman ko ito nila, mawag yung nag-ibig, mahaw. Ang bawa, medyo agaw-agaw, medyo may kaki, kumuhay, wakablower, wakamake-up, ano man. Pero I'm so happy that the children are here, that Leo prepared all this for me. I must have done something, I've been through the worst times in my life. And along the way, I must have done something really good to deserve these people. Someone who truly loves me and who puts up with all of my tantrums and everything. And the children also. So, pag nako nila, according to the way that we wanted them to be. They may not be perfect, but I am so proud of what they have achieved, of what they have become as adults. And I'd like to thank everyone. I can see na very selected tuod, no? The people na sa mind ko, if ever, amo man gid ang yung pang-invite ni Leo. So these people na close man gid sa akon, my cousins from Bacolod, from Bago, nga nagkadtogit, thank you so much. Nag-effort yun ka naman ng Fitz, kay Attorney Arenio and Che. Sila Lani and my best friends Jean, Myra, and family. Sila Dr. Churima and sila Gemma, sila Bong, sila Dr. Churima and Gemma all the way from Isabela, Negros pa na. From the law office of my husband sa Sumiro and Partners, Attorney Jason and Attorney Fred, Attorney Rose, my colleague sa previous work ko. And then my Bricks family, the group nga beside group ni siya namon, the core group sa Rika and Friends. And then my sila Weng and family, sila Ana, my cousin, and sila Felix. And then my BFFs also from way back then when we were in elementary, we've been through a lot. So, mention na kay Bibi. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming. I am so overwhelmed by everyone's presence and thank you from the bottom of my heart. Yes, JR and family. Sila ng Dangdang, si JR. Thank you again for coming. Actually, na-mention ko kina kay Leo nga dugay na. If I were to hold a party, something like this, haba ko si JR dito paglipatan kay and family. Kay always present kita to sila. Eh sila Madel, Cesar, and everyone, basin ko man mention na hindi ko man may isa-isa, pero thank you so much for coming. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. And also, I'd like to thank my children. At Oxenio clan, galing my children, may hinablos. Meron ako hinablos actually. The daughter of Manjo, she was supposed to sing, I think. I don't know with my organizers here, but for being really good singers. The children, the cousins, and all the Oxenio children. So, I appreciate it. Always sila sa program, singer sila tanan. Maisel, makanta ka ba? Thank you everyone for coming.